This is Gamblin 3-in-1 Oil Medium, a multitasking medium designed to simplify your oil painting workflow. It's a lean, ready-to-use mixture that replaces the need to mix your own, which means no measuring and no guessing. It has 3 distinct uses. First, it dries in about 24 hours, so it's great for initial underpainting layers and transparent, fast-drying washes. Second, its low viscosity and leveling properties help achieve a uniform surface sheen with a satin finish. If there are dull areas in your dried oil paint, oiling out with 3-in-1 is an easy fix. Just brush it on and wipe off the excess to bring out color saturation and depth before adding a final varnish. Third is unexpected. Use it to size raw wood panels, sealing the grain before you apply your primer. Gamblin 3-in-1 brings flow, clarity, and consistency to every stage of your painting, so you can start fast and stay focused.